Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. This is Daisy. Today I will start a series of 5 tutorials where I will show you how to make custom garden flags so you can customize them with the technique of your choice. I will teach you how to sew 5 different styles of garden flags. Today I will start with the easiest style. At the end of making all the designs, I will show you different ways to customize them for different special occasions or seasons of the year. And the materials we're going to need to sew these garden flags are the fabric of your choice. You may use polyester if you wish to sublimate, cotton Canva, denim, cotton, or any other if you want to customize with a different technique than sublimation. My favorites to sew these garden flags are cotton Canva and blackout decor in polyester. Also, we're going to need scissors, fabric pins, tape measure, ruler, a washable fabric pen, or a pencil. And to display your flag, you're going to need a garden flag holder. And we're going to start preparing the fabric. The measurements of the finished garden flags are 12.5 by 18 inches. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to start with the easiest garden flag, and I'm going to be using blackout decor fabric in polyester. And to sew this garden flag, we're going to need a piece of fabric with the measurements on the screen. Make a 1-inch fold on the bottom and a 2.5 inches on the top. Ironed, secure with pins or clips, and we're going to sew top and bottom. So on the bottom, leaving 3/4 of an inch seam allowance. On the top, you're going to leave 2 inches seam allowance. We practically already have the garden flag already finished. As you could see, the process of making this garden flag is very easy. It is ready to be customized for any special occasions such as summer, fall, Christmas, birthdays, welcome signs, and many more. When I finish sewing the 5 styles, I'm going to teach you how to customize them using different techniques. In the description below, I will leave you the list and links of the products used in this project. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to make this other garden flag. This one is going to be in 2 colors. So stay tuned for my next tutorials. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.